Now I'm in another spot only a couple of miles from Hook Lighthouse, and it's called Loftus Hall. I think the current incarnation of it it dates back from 1642, and it prides itself on being Ireland's most haunted house. So if you get a chance to check it out, it's probably worth it. I got here too late. We're in the evening now, but you'll see some lovely light in the images which you're going to see in the next moment or two. One of the beaches just further up the coast on the Hook Peninsula, Dollar Bay, and it's my first time here. I'm hoping it's going to be scenic for both you and me, so check it out. Little bit of a hike down to the beach, loose gravel, so just mind yourself and be a bit cautious. It's looking lovely. If I'm trying not to fall down myself. On the other side, it's you have County Waterford. I think it's probably Woodstown, and here's the beach itself. It's small, it's compact, a little bit on the private side. Looks like someone was here before us to say happy birthday, Sally. So Sally, you've been immortalised on my vlog. Coming to the end of my Hook Head vlog. It's gotten quite breezy and blustery now. The sun has just set. We didn't get much of a sunset, so I hope the wind isn't affecting the microphone too badly. I've got a bit of a wind shield on it to try and minimize it. So you can probably see the lighthouse in the background. It started flashing now because we're coming to dusk. So I'll give you a bit of footage. Because it's coming up to the end of the day now. So I hope you've enjoyed it. Give me some feedback. If you're on YouTube, subscribe to me. If you're on Facebook, like my page please, and leave me feedback. I'd love to hear from you. Just read more info about me in the captions. So you have a good week. Talk to you soon.